the parts I try to hide, the storms I hold behind my